Welcome to Gnarly Bear Travel. We're here at Tiffany's Pizza Greek Cuisine here in Las Cruces at 755 South Tail Shore. Let's go in and see what we can find good to eat. And we look at the interior. Beautiful pictures on the wall. Beautiful, relaxing surroundings. Tassos and Barbara are wonderful people. They are the sole owners of Tiffany's. Warm, wonderful Greek people. I'm having a bit of coffee and Greek pastry to go with the coffee. Here's the hero with fries and lemonade. Can I interview you real quick, Tassos?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Tell me what you want to hear.
Okay, this is Tassos, one of the owners of Tiffany's. Tassos, can you tell me how long have you been here?
Exactly 26 years, from 1997.
26 years, wow. So you're well established here.
Oh, everybody like us, everybody. We talk to everybody. We're happy people, and you don't pay for the coffee here sometimes.
Okay, okay. So what are your hours of operation?
Now we open Tuesday to Friday from 11 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock.
Okay.
From Friday to Saturday from 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Okay.
We close Sundays and Mondays.
Okay. Alrighty. Do you ever have any special events here or anything?
No, really, maybe birthday, that's it.
That's it? Okay, well, hey, that's good enough. Good
They
food.
call up people, yeah.
Good food, good company, huh?
You better believe it. They love me, everybody here.
Yes.
I'm goddamn Greek.
Yes, that's it. Yeah, the Greek people are good people.
They have some people maybe bad, but overall it's okay.
Yes.
Don't forget, democracy comes from Greece, you know?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, history.
Yeah. Yes.
Everything under control. Hello there.
Thank you for the interview.
Thank you very much. Welcome to town, and we see you anytime you want.
Excellent.
You can interview my wife too if you want to.
Sure. I will. I'll try.
She speaks better English from me.
Okay.
This guy is Al. Say hi to Al over here.
Yeah.
Hello, Al. Hello,
Hey, Al.
Hello.
Hey, Al.
Good morning.
Good morning. Al's one of the regulars here.
Yeah, every week, every Saturday morning.
Every Saturday morning like clockwork. Good
Yep.
deal. What are you having today, Al?
Spaghetti and meatballs of all things.
Yeah, hey, well, it works. If you like it, it works.
We'll see. I never tried it.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Al.
Sure.